Stay tuned for a special announcement in this video that you're not going to want to miss. Your Punchy Boys.
Okay, Power Boy.
Power Boys. Ouch! That was hard. Smoothie.
Punch.
We should go pick our tomatoes for the marinara sauce. All right, go with Cosmo. Nice.
See, it's ready, right?
I'm gonna get some of these sun golds.
Huh?
I'm gonna get some of these sun gold tomatoes.
How about I'm holding the basket?
Oh, okay. Oh no, Woody! Oh my gosh.
What?
Why does he keep picking these?
A strawberry.
Ooh, yummy, yummy. You gonna eat it? Uh-oh, here comes Woody. Oh no. Woody! Can you please stop picking things too early? It makes me so sad. Don't do it. Okay, so here's the plan. We're gonna pick some of these big. Oh, are you showing? Nice. This is the one Woody picked that he really shouldn't have, but maybe it'll ripen on the counter.
This big tomato.
That one looks okay. Yeah, it's pretty good. Pick this one too. That one's ready. That came right off. If it comes right off, you know it's ready. So look what I found.
Look, buddy.
Can you reach your hand in there and get some of those big red ones? The red ones at the bottom.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
This one is ready.
No, it is not. Do not pick it.
But
Do
look.
not pick that, please. Got it.
Get it.
Uh-oh, you're stuck.
We're done.
Nope. We're gonna make a bunch of marinara sauce. Ooh, do you want to pick this one?
Now you're gonna need a big jar.
Wow. See these ones? See how red that is? That one's ready. You can especially tell when it's cracking like that. Hey Woody, don't you even think about it.
This one is so squishy right here.
Okay, pick it.
That one is.
Oh, no. Oh, okay. You are banned from the garden. Look at this beautiful tomato. Don't touch it. Don't you touch it. Is it a tomato? Did we pick it? Hold on, let me show on the camera. Look how beautiful it is. Beautiful. Look at these. Look at these. We have so many tomatoes. This is a good crop. We are making some marinara today because we have tons of fresh tomatoes in the garden and we want to use them so we can actually, I don't know, I'm not gonna just slice a bunch of tomatoes. I want to actually use them for sauces and stuff. So I have not made a welcome to the neighborhood basket for our new neighbors yet, so that's what we're doing today. We're gonna make some homemade marinara. I'm gonna give them some fresh tomatoes as well. Probably some lettuce too because I have so much lettuce in the garden. You stole a tomato! So we found a video online about how to make marinara and it starts with just putting the tomatoes in boiling water. How much of this onion should I do?
What is that little slot?
To get the skin off.
Why are you not wanting the skin off? I don't know how to cut the onion.
You do?
There's stuff make you cry. How?
Just blink a lot. Blink. The tomatoes are ready to be peeled. For me? Okay. My gosh, so juicy. Woo! Just sliced. These are so juicy. I'm just a homemaker, taking care of my children, making food from scratch. Yeah. There is tomato juice everywhere. Oh my gosh. The video did not prepare me for all of the tomato juice. What? I hope this turns out good. I'm really nervous now. Now we just gotta cook them down. much that that would. It's gonna be delicious. Homemade marinara, although look at this juice. The juice is wild. It's so messy. Oh my gosh. This sauce is so good. I have to make this again.
Hey.
Look at that. I just made my own marinara sauce. So good. Okay.
Mommy, I'm gonna take a.
Okay, I don't know how to make it super pretty. But I have a little note and I have boxes of cookies. I'm gonna have lettuce and cherry tomatoes and sliced tomatoes and chard and a beet. Oh my gosh, you guys, it doesn't even look pretty, but it is what it is. Hello. Okay, hello everyone. I've been busy working behind the scenes on something that I can finally announce to you today, and I'm so excited. I've been working with some of my favorite online creators, and the day is finally here. We have teamed up to bring to you the Thrive Bundle. The Thrive Bundle is a collection of 120 plus wellness resources, including full-length cookbooks, books, ebooks, courses, guides, workout plans, and more for just $48. If bought separately, the entire thing would cost $4,500, but today we're bringing it to you for only $48. That is a 99% discount, which is crazy. The resources in the bundle cover topics including gardening, herbalism, holistic health, sourdough, face yoga, meditation, and more, all consistent with a plant-based life. There is a ton of recipe ebooks and full cookbooks from some of the top creators online, including Carly Bodrug from Plant You, Jasmine and Chris from Sweet Simple Vegan, Chef AJ, Jillian Glenn from Peanut Butter and Jilly, and so many more. There's a course on digestion, one on fascia revitalization, another course on growing your own herbal tea, a 12-day dairy detox course, a 4-week course to release your money blocks, a breathwork course to transform your business, a 24-hour yoga teacher training, and so many more, including my own course, Vegan for Good. This deal is absolutely bonkers, guys. For example, my Vegan for Good course normally sells for $297, and if you get the bundle today, you get my vegan course right away for only $48, including all of the other ebooks and courses. There really is something for everyone in this bundle. It's not exclusively vegan, but everything in it is consistent with plant-based living. Even if you aren't vegan and you just need a burst of inspiration to finish out your year strong, maybe you have some goals that you want to finish by the end of the year, this resource could be so amazing for you. Maybe you just want to dabble in some vegan recipes. Guys, I've been obsessed with all of the ebooks in there. I have completely revitalized my own like staples routine in my kitchen. I've made so many new recipes that I know I'm gonna include regularly in our weekly meal plan. Not like I really meal plan, but you know what I mean. Or maybe you simply want to like further your education on your journey to thriving. For example, one of my favorite courses in the bundle is by Ella Majors. It's called Fitness for Longevity, and I'm learning so much. It's really just about creating a fitness routine for you that sets you up for longevity, not just for like looking amazing. And in the course, she teaches you specific routines and she teaches you certain moves and really just how to incorporate fitness into your life so it sets you up for a long one. Okay, so this deal sounds pretty amazing. You're probably wondering, what's the catch? The catch is it's only available for 10 days. It's available through September 6th. It's a 10-day deal and then it's done. All you do is click to purchase, and then you immediately start downloading all of the ebooks and courses so you have access to them right away. Since I got access to the bundle, I've been like obsessive scrolling because I now have at my fingertips like so many recipes and I've just been like screenshotting my favorite ones, and I am so excited to have this ebook, Superb Soups. I'm sure you guys have heard of Carly Bodrug. Sorry girl, I don't know how to pronounce your last name, but her handle is Plant You. She just like blew up over the past couple years, and it's because her recipes are so good. I've tried many of her free recipes online, and now I have her soup ebook and I'm so excited. Today we're going to jump into her Marry Me soup. So we've got garlic, onions, leeks, sweet potatoes. We're gonna put some gnocchi in there, but you can also use like regular pasta. I just happen to have gnocchi on hand. And yeah, so let's make this recipe together in the kitchen. Okay, so this is my first bite. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. It's not even soup season and I am stoked right now. I'm gonna make this a lot in the fall. I haven't had gnocchi in forever. So I absolutely have to show you one more recipe because I'm obsessed with one of these ebooks in the bundle called 50 Easy Plant-Based Dinners by Chef Sarah. Like, I'm scrolling through it and I have to go to the store and make every single one of them because they just look so good and so easy and delicious and like affordable. My husband is out of town right now, which means at dinner time I don't have help like getting the kids to eat. If anyone else is in that boat, oh my gosh, it requires so much energy just to get my kids to eat. And I found this recipe that I know my 3-year-old is going to love. It's called creamy cashew lemon pasta. And so we are gonna make this right now. We're making another Chef AJ dessert recipe. They're so good. This is a mango lime tart. Look at the lime zest. It smells so delicious already.
Can I do that too?
Okay, hold on.
I want to do that.
You gotta wash your hands though.
I will do it.
Here's your coat. Go ahead. So if you want, you can kind of like, yeah, as I turn it, making the crust. Good job. Nice. Cool, dude. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the freezer while we make the...
Just one more look.
Okay, my baby woke up from nap, so I had to put my tripod away. Hold on! It's a little bit of a rush job, and the filling tastes amazing. Sprinkle Wow. You want a raspberry, Woody?
Well, it was dark, and then you spoke, and your voice created light. My tiny
Remember that? I didn't that Daddy.